Trying that one trend. What's happening? Why did you cover her smegzy face? Okay, now they're adding yellow. Interesting. Then they turned it into add. What do you mean, What is that supposed to mean? Okay, anyway, to be honest, I've tried out this trend before, but apparently I did it wrong. Okay, so I'll just do it exactly as in the video. So let's color pick the blue real quick and cover her smegzy face. Then we add the piss yellow color. Okay, so I don't know which one to choose, add or add glow. Okay, let's try this first. Whoa. Okay, that is just too much. Now let's try add glow. Okay. I mean, it's basically the same. I don't really like the yellow color. What I like doing instead is I select soft light like this. Then with a warm color like this, I just airbrush all over the face. Just like that. That's better. 6 out of 10. Next, how I draw the back view of my characters. First, copy and flip the body. Now paint everything as long as it's inside the silhouette. Boots. Just boots. And voila. Okay, cool. Let's see if this works. Ooh, I know exactly where to test it. Okay, this is actually promotional art for my merch, which is still on sale, by the way. Anyway, we don't need the dude. Let's remove him real quick. And then just copy paste the headphones. Okay, now we copy paste the drawing and then flip real quick. And now we're gonna cover her face with hair. Okay, so far she doesn't look like she's facing backwards. She just looks very emo. Anyway, let's cover the rest of her clothes. Ooh, wait. I can already kind of see it. Hold on. Something's cooking. So let's just draw the hair, I guess. Then the arm highlight thing. Guys, should I make the booty bigger? No, they said to stick to the silhouette, so I can't do that. Obviously, I still need a bit of practice, but it's a great hack. 8 out of 10. Next, this brush goes hard for no reason. Sad face. Okay, that is the edgiest brush I've ever seen. I need it. Okay, so it's apparently called Don Yori. Let's try to search for it. Right, here it is. Okay, let's just drag and drop real quick. Okay, so far it looks very edgy. Reminds me of like the Attack on Titan manga. Honestly, digital artists really win because this brush is so smegzy. I rate it a 100 out of 10. Anyway, let's put it to practical use. First, when I use it as a sketch, it just looks like a normal textured brush, which is fine. I'm just trying to draw in peace, man. The shading though, bruh, look at how thick and rich this is. Okay, I am building on the shadows. Looks smegzy so far. Okay, wait, I finally figured it out. You just need to lightly tap it like this so it doesn't overlap. It's giving dehydrated. Honestly though, it's such a good style. Should I switch over to this style? No, it's too edgy. Okay, so the brush only has one direction, which is good. Anyway, fast forward. I think I accidentally overdid it. This was just meant to be a silly 5-minute doodle, but here we are. Dilf. Anyway, Don Yori brush. I rate it an 11 out of 10. Next, are you lazy and want to be fast with line art for your webtoon? Do this. Select a thicker brush than usual. Create a new vector layer. Do the line art. Using a thicker brush helps you not to focus on details and you will be faster. When the line art is done, select the operation tool. Drag over all the art. Change the brush size. Now you can get the brush size you want. Ooh. Finish with some details and it's done. Interesting. Let's go. Okay, here's a little doodle I'm making. It's not done yet, but let's try it out here. So make a vector layer. Vector. So what I'm gonna do is just trace my sketch in a very crappy manner. Just winging it, I guess. I'm not gonna think about the precision or the skill. Let's just hope that this TikTok art tip is gonna carry. Okay, done. Now after that, let's press the O key. Bam. And now let's select all of it. Whoa. She looks like bacteria. Okay, so apparently we need to lower the brush size like this and... Ooh, wait. Okay, that looks really neat and clean. Also, you can also adjust the lines like this. Pretty cool concept. I don't do line art though. I hate line art. Line art sucks. 8 out of 10. Next, it looks a bit flat. How bad can it possibly be? Let's see. Whoa. What a massive improvement. Okay, so let's have a little art lesson. In case you're wondering why it got so good, the reason why it got so good is because of values, okay? Like look at my old art right here. It's boring AF and I can tell you why. When you convert it to black and white, it's all just grayish. So this part is supposed to be darker. Let's make it darker real quick. Guys, bottom line is we're just basically making it more 3D by adding more shadows. Just adding more dimension to his face, okay? And also on the book right here. And I'm gonna add highlights on his glasses. Accessories are important AF, bro. Let's also add some more highlights on the hair and some rim light just for the heck of it. And look at that. This took me like 5 minutes, bro. Close up, close up. Before and after. Look at that. Very smexy. Next, y'all do French flag, I do rainbow. What is bro doing? You use rainbows for highlights? Okay, why do people even put effort in the eye highlight anyway? It's literally just a white dot, bro. Anyway, let's try this. Let's add the rainbow Roy G. Viv. Wow, I'm such a genius. Then a white dot in the center like this. Honestly, this looks like a tech logo. Okay, so we're just gonna put it on the eye and then copy paste for the other side. Not bad actually. You can see the color around the white. Very subtle, but very nice. Okay, I take back what I said. This is hashtag very smexy. Let's make a custom face brush with me. Wait, what? Let me get this straight. This guy is making a face brush so they don't have to draw faces? That is so lazy. That is the most slothful thing I have ever witnessed. I love it. Okay, so I think the rest of the vid is just a tutorial on how to make those face brushes, and this is the end result. Pretty cool. Let's try it out. So I'm on Procreate because they did it on Procreate. Step 1. Prepare your face outline. Okay, so I have our little handsome Squidward 3D model. So I guess we're just supposed to trace over it like so and draw our smexy face like normal. So I made the eyes bigger a bit. Also, my characters never smile because they're depressed. So the default expression is sad, not happy. Okay, now that we're done with that, let's hide the model. Right. Now just add smexy eyelashes. Okay, now we have this beautiful BL character. The tutorial says to make a square canvas. So let's put him in a square canvas like this. Change the outline to white. Okay. Let's turn off the background layer. Alright. Then copy the layer. Follow me in this step. First, make a new brush. Go to shape, click edit, import, then paste. Okay, let's do that real quick. Let's just paste it real quick. Shazam. Okay, done. Now what did that do? Whoa, so is there like a million yaoi faces in that brush? Okay, now apparently we need to play around with the properties. Okay, that does not look like a smexy face, does it? It just looks like a really hairy caterpillar. Let's see, just lower the opacity and that's it. Bam. Shazam! Let's try that real quick. You know what guys, that was actually a really solid and straightforward tutorial. I call it the same face syndrome brush. Whoa, I can even use it to shade. It's like the tiny little baby spiders. Wait, I'm gonna turn this into his lips. Right. 10 out of 10. POV, the colossal titans from Attack on Titan. But all jokes aside, it's honestly gonna be really helpful if you're working on a manhwa or if you just use it as a base. 9 out of 10. Hope you guys like this video. Watch this next and I'll see you there. Stay cool.